how to turn off auto download videos using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download videos using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and then just click when connected on Wi-Fi, and here we'll find videos. Just click on videos, one click, and click OK, and that's it. Now go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.